Hey guys, this is A. Renee from Journal, Jot, and Jive. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, welcome to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, hey y'all. Alright, so welcome to day 5 of PLANMAS. So by the title, it's going to say something along the lines, plan with me, how to use blank pages in your bound or coiled planners. And then it may even have like a slash that says my financial journey, honey. That's what it's going to say. Something along those lines. All right, y'all. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to use blank pages in your planner. And if you didn't know, today is a 2-for-1. Yep, it's a 2-for-1 because you didn't get your 4th video yesterday, so you got it today. So if you haven't checked that video out, you'll actually see how I use this, why I use this, and where it falls into my stationary life. So I will link that in the iCards above. All right, and so if you already see, we got a couple of things checked off. Yep, we sure do. But we still got a lot to do. But anyway, that's not what you're here for. You are here for this video. All right, so let's move this out the way. Just know that this is gonna tie in to the video. All right, so I have my Wonderland 222 planner for 2023. However, it starts this month, so I am already moved on in here. Y'all see, your girl's, she in here. She is using it up. I really want to go in and add some little stickers on there. Like, I don't know if y'all like, I'm not suggesting y'all go buy stuff, but I got some stuff around the house, coffee monsters, coal, and all of that. I'm gonna add some stuff in there. But anyway, so what we are going to focus on today is the back portion of this planner. All right, so this planner has blank pages, and we are going to do that. All right, so I'm going to go through really quick and show you the blank pages, but I've already done a video showing y'all that. I think I even set it up in the video, so I will find that video and link it in iCards here, and you can watch that. All right, so the other day I was playing around in stickers because I'm like, oh, you really need to use all of these stickers up you bought like many moons ago. And I don't know how long that's going to last. But nonetheless, I created a page. So when you think about blank pages, you can think of it in a couple of ways. Pages where you can do a daily spread or collections, like collections of things you want to write down, keep, so you can refer back to at later dates. All right. So this page right here is going to be a book spread, kind of like books that I've read. And though I'll be starting this particular book, Get Good with Money, I'm going to start it this month, but I'm pretty sure I will need to refer back to it several times, okay? Because,
honey, that is a lot. And I do mean a lot going on in my life right now. And I told y'all I'm going to take y'all on my financial journey, so we ain't even gonna flex. We gonna start talking a little bit about it
before I set up this page. So I am going to go in and I'm gonna just use these because I used that earlier because I don't feel like pulling out any extra stuff. I'm gonna color these in and then I'm gonna write the title on one of these. But we're also going to create a page specifically for this book. Just some overview points that'll go back here. The rest of it will go in my journal. And then we'll get into it. But before then, y'all, so the reason I chose this book to start with is because I told y'all I'll be on a financial journey. I have the notebook, y'all, not notebook, the planner y'all will be seeing on screen, all of that. Now, I've been following her for a while, but I have not been putting into action the tips that she provides, right? And so I'm like,
okay, you are getting audited by the IRS right now. And I know some of y'all like,
what you mean audited? I mean, you really getting audited?
I am, y'all. They over here saying some money that I made that I did not make. And I'm like, excuse me. If I made that amount of money, I would not be putting things on Klarna for groceries. And I know the rest of y'all are like,
who puts groceries on Klarna?
I do. This mama. I don't like saying single mama, but the mama who does all the primary financial parts of my son's life, she does. Yeah. She puts groceries on Klarna, baby. That's why
I said it is time to get good with money and get better. All right, so I'll be reading this book. I'll be adding notes in here, quick jots, and then I'll also be journaling about it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get that started. All right, y'all, so I am done setting this up. I did a little title, Take a Look. It's in a book. All right, so if you were from the 80s, possibly the 70s, because y'all was like teenagers and stuff back then, you know where that comes from. So let me know, where did that come from? I would love to sing it, but the way YouTube likes to strike things, we're not going to do that. Okay, so I went in and colored in the stickers. I put in the title of the book right here, Get Good with Money. Now, I didn't put the title of the author on here because I don't want to write that small. So when I set up the page over here, that's where I put it. All right, I went in and I did a couple of affirmations. Reading is a stress-reducing tool that I love, all right? And then reading improves my vocabulary. So I'll probably go in and put some more affirmations for sure, but I didn't want to do all of that right now. I just didn't want to. All right, then I flipped over to this side and I said financial resource, get good with money. I put the author's name, the start date, and then when I finish, I'll go in and put that date. I left this section open for notes, vocabulary, and more. All right, y'all. So the question of the day, how are you using your planner and journal to incorporate things that you do in your everyday life? So is it reading, listening to music, and have you thought of that? If not, is it something you're considering in 2023? All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. As PLANMAS goes on, I would love to ask you all to share the videos along the way. Tell people about this channel because I can help y'all, all right? If I'm helping y'all, I need y'all to help me. Let's get this channel moving and I'll continue bringing you the content. All right. Lastly, if you are interested in this book, I do have the link in the description. If you choose to buy it, it is a small commission that comes with that, and I will be thankful if you use it. If not, it's fine. Oh, before we get off here, because I can't remember if I said it earlier, and I don't think I did. So, y'all, I was scrolling on Amazon like,
oh, I'm gonna order this book, the hardback. And I was like, well, no, I'm gonna get the Kindle. And as I clicked on it, it said,
ma'am, you have had this book.
And I'm gonna tell y'all how long I've had this book. According to Amazon, I purchased this book on April 19th, 2021.
So that in itself said it is time for me to get my entire life. So that's where we will be going with this financial journey. All right, y'all. So I'll catch you on the next one.